Mr. Roby. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking around, driving, or smoking. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
People versus Sylvester Reed. Everyone, when I call your case, please let the attorney, Ms. Siroki, say her name first, and then you say your name. This is the People versus Sylvester Reed, ticket number P439864. Count 1, drove a license not valid or proper license. And ticket number P426736, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Siroki, on behalf of Mr. Reed.
Say your name, Mr. Reed.
Yes,
What's
Say
your
your
name?
Sylvester Reed.
Your Honor, at this time, we're asking that the bench warrants be set aside. The recommendation is my client would plead to 1 count to fail display. The other matters being dismissed. He's waiving his rights.
I do see, I don't know if these are closed out, but he has a number of tickets in his file.
Which one you looking at, Sebastian?
One of them is dismissed. I'm just trying to make sure that everything is clear. All right. Raise your right hand, Mr. Reed. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth.
Yes,
You can put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
can you repeat that?
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still should continue guilty plea.
yes,
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of July 18, 2015 at 4:41 p.m. On that day and time, were you at near East Warren and Bishop in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2000 Cadillac vehicle?
yes, ma'am.
And did you fail to display a valid operator's license that was not on your person?
Yes, ma'am.
You're satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court's office satisfied factual basis will accept the admission. You stipulate the proper cause as to the other ticket to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
Dismissed without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by February 17th?
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
All right, so you are all set, sir. Good luck to you. All right, this is the People versus Jawan Roberts, ticket number SP1242642, count 1, driver and register or untitled vehicle. Count 2, fails to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number SP1138523, count 1, driver and register or untitled vehicle. And count 2, drove a license not valid or improper. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Siroki, on behalf of Juwan Roberts.
Juwan Roberts.
Your Honor, at this time, we ask the warrants be set aside. The people made a recommendation to my client. He'd plead guilty to 1 count of failed display of a valid license and an unregistered vehicle. The other counts are being dismissed. He's waiving his rights.
But it was failed to display and improper plate.
Correct.
Okay. All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Roberts. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your right.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you the value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Direct your attention to the date of November 21st, 2020 at 11:32 a.m. on that date and time, were you at or near Mound and Hamlet in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2008 Chrysler vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving while your license was not valid or improper?
Yes, ma'am.
And was the vehicle unregistered or untitled?
Registered.
It was not registered?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
Dismissed without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a $250 fine. Yeah, there'll be a $250 fine. Can you have a fine paid by February 17th? It'll be on the fail to display and the improper plates. I'll waive that fine. You pay the $250 by February 17th.
Yes.
Do you have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
You too. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. People versus James Roback. Ticket number U634044122, count one, disorderly conduct. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
James Roback. Oh,
Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Mr. Roback, Your Honor. At this time, we're asking the warrant be set aside. He's entering a plea not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Court will set aside the warrant. Raise your right hand, Mr. Roback. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
yes,
You put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
yes,
So the court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for February 22nd at 9 o'clock. Do you have any questions?
no,
You're all set, sir.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So this is People versus Shakim Robinson. Ticket number SP 1207648. Count one, driver license suspended. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1244273. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor, and count two, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Mr. Robinson.
Shakim Robinson.
Your Honor, at this time, we ask all warrants be set aside. The people made a recommendation to my client. He's going to plead to one count of failed display, amended count of failed display, and one count of unregistered vehicle.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Robinson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki, the attorney in private, about your case and your right.
Yes, that is correct.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you in exchange name for your guilty plea today?
Can you please say that one more time? Sorry.
Anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, I understand.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of June 2nd, 2021 at 3:30 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Sherwood and Outer Drive in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2007 Jeep vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes, that's correct.
And then was the vehicle unregistered or untitled?
Yes.
I'm sorry, you know what, I'm sorry. It's in proper place. I think she wants to do these, I'm sorry, I asked wrong, okay. I'm gonna direct your attention to September 4th, 2021 at 2:10. On that day and time, were you at Mac and McDougal in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2007 Jeep vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes, that's correct.
And did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No, I did not.
Okay, you're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, the court's also satisfied with the factual basis. We'll accept the admission and we'll proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a $250 fine on the fail to display. And actually, no, the court is also amending the counts to fail to display in a proper place.
Right.
And did I ask you if you stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining counts?
So stipulated.
All right, so there's dismissal by prejudice. So there'll be a $250 fine on the fail to display. I'll waive the fine for the improper place. Can you have that fine paid by February 17th?
Yes, I can.
Do you have any questions?
Yeah. What about the one on June 2nd?
Say that again.
What about the ticket for June 2nd?
That's being dismissed. Those are being dismissed.
Okay. And I do have another question. Because every time I've been going through this for like a whole year now, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't remember getting a year worth of tickets. Every time I ask, am I fine? Like, am I done with this? Y'all tell me yes. And like, I keep coming back to Zoom. And I just want to make sure, like, is this my last, like, am I done with this? Like, is there nothing else coming my way? Cause I just want to get my license back.
I guess you're asking me if you have any other tickets. Is that what you're asking me?
Yes.
Give me 1 second.
And for your own information, sir, you can always go on the court website and look your cases up.
I have, and there's never nothing, anything, it's nothing on there. But
Okay.
somehow I'm always like coming to Zoom court.
So it looks like you dealt with 5 tickets today. Those were the only tickets you had pending.
Right.
So everything else is done. You're done.
Okay, I really appreciate that.
You're welcome.
All right, y'all have a good day.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You too. You're gonna have to probably pay some reinstatement fees if you want to start trying to get your license back.
Right.
You have to pay some reinstatement fees.
To the Secretary of State, right?
Right, yes.
And do you know how much that is?
I think it's $45.
Mhm.
It's $45 a ticket.
$45 a ticket, and there was only 5 of them.
5 of them left, yes.
All right, that's cool. Thank you. I appreciate it. Wait, and you said they're pending or that those are taken care of?
Say that again.
We just took care of them or they're pending?
We just took care of 5 tickets today.
Okay.
Fled the 2, and the other 3 got dismissed.
All right, I appreciate that.
So you're all set.
All right, thank you.
For some reason, I'll be having to report it.
Only missing.
Hold on. Just make sure I got all the tickets here. We are missing. We are missing. SP 12.
I type it quick. That's people.
Oh, SP 1207648.
7, 6, 4, 8.
Great. You might have said it. Here it is. Here it is. I got it. You got all your tickets. This is the people versus Egypt, Davis Witcher, ticket number SP 1143390, count 1, driver's license never acquired. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Good morning, Egypt Davis Witcher.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Ms. Davis Witcher. At this time, my client is asking the warrant be set aside and a plea not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand. Ms. Davis Witcher, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything about you to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
All right, so the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for February 22nd at 9:00.
okay.
You're all set. All right, this is the people versus Cursory Register, ticket number SP 1290885, count 1, allowing the licensed driver. Please say your name to the record.
Pauline
Kashari
Stroke,
Register.
Ms. Register, Your Honor.
Kashari Register.
Your Honor, she's here on a review.
Yeah, let me look to see if she made the payment.
See, maybe I was didn't understand that I was supposed to make the payment before we came back to court. So that was my misunderstanding. So I didn't make the payment.
So when can you pay it?
In 2 weeks.
Okay, so we'll come back on,
Is that a lady sentence?
come back, February 8th at 8:35. You're all set. Come back February 8th at 8:35.
8:35. Okay, thank you.
Officer Roby, what kind of case is Mr. Rad?